Dear friends, this is the program for Cisco NET program for local IP to public IP conversion. How can provide the local server, local IP, local inside network to outside from. So we can configuration for that process. So first of start, we are using two routers. This is the router 291. Any router your choice. This is the 291 router 1. This is the two router second router. This is the two PCs, that is the two network devices and devices we have used. So finally we have connected it by auto cable. This is the cross cable we have connected here. This is the cable. The cross cable is connected here. This cross cable is connected here. We are using NAT and PAT. PAT is port address translation. NAT is network address translation. So we are start coding here. So first we write the network address. Network local address 192.168.1.0. This is the network is 192.168.2.0. This is the network is 202. Public IP address is 202.56.2030.0. So finally start the coding with the router 1. Enter the router address. This is the command line interface. We have to start and write first no options, then start. Enable CONFD configured, then INT G0/0. First we have to give the IP address for port G0/0, INT G0/0. So IP address is address 192. The 202.56.230.1 to 255.255.255.0. No SHU for uplines. This is the outside address, inside address. This is the inside global address. So we have to write IP NAT outside outside. So we have to write the port G0/1 INT G0/1. IP address is 192.168.1.1 55.255.0. This is the no SHU. This is the address IP NAT inside address inside. So finally we have to exit. So finally we have to take some commands for that port netting. This is the access list 10, source list as source, access list 10, first IP NAT inside, IP NAT inside, source list 10, interface we have to use for that port. This is the interface we have to connect. G0/0 overload for PAD, and access list 10, permit IPG, permit IP 192.168.1.0 networks. This is the network. Wildcard select 0.0.0.255. Okay, enter. This is the exit. This is the complete process. So this is the, we have to go for second routers. CLI no. Enable first process is configure second process. So finally again we have to provide the IP address for G0/0 port, G0/1. So first we have to write for G0/0 port INT G0/0 port. IP address is 192. This is the global address 202.56 56.230.2 55.255.0. We have the IP add. We have to add here IP add. IP add. OSH INT OSH IP net. This is the, there is no requirement IP net inside because we have to use only router one. Only router is single. This is the, we have to write this is router 2. This is the host name which exit host name which R2 router. This is the router. So and INT G0/1 IP address is 192.168.2.1.25.255.255.0. No SHO. Finally we have to use IP net inside IP source list source IP net source list tab permit interface IP net inside. So this is the IP addresses. This is the IP addresses here. We are using IP address source list tab interface provider. So finally that side we have to use here router 2 IP NAT side. So RC source list tab interface G0/0 power load for PAT. So IP net inside source list tab G0/0. It is not taken. IP net inside IP net inside source list tab interface G0/0 overload access list tab permit or possible 92.168.2.0 0.0.0.255. This is the whole command, whole encodings for matrix. So finally using the IP address ecosystems. This is the desktop. This is the system 192.168.1.0 1.2 92.168.1.2.1. So finally we have to ping it in 192.168.1. So first we have to check already the translation of this SHIP NAT translations. There is no translation here. IP native translations, DNF translation here. So access is here. This is the source point, this is the destination. This is the source point, this is the destination. Because this is the router, this is the point, there is a network, we have to write this IP. So this is your destination. Bring it 1.2. Destination host not reachable. So we have to give the routes for that process. Router CONNT router RIP network router RIP network 192 168.1.0 IT access. Again for router CONFT router network NET network 192.168.2.0 2.56.230.0 again 1 count. Here we are seeing that inside global address is replying. So we have seen that this is the process of brief NAT process. So we have to check here routers EXIT search IP NAT translations. This is the complete ICMP. This is the complete inside outside global. This is the inside global address. This is the outside global address. So whole process you are understanding how can bulk sheet is here. So this is the process. So finally I have to say that please like my channel and subscribe my channel and please give me the response.